I think the green banks and other green financing facilities would play a crucial role, not only in moving investments and capital markets into new green technologies, but also in helping specific countries determine which kinds of renewable energy sources is appropriate for their country. For our country, being a developing country that is located in a high-risk area to climate change, I think the most exciting thing that we could benefit from establishing a green bank is to help us catalyze investments in areas that we are having difficulties into moving new technologies and investments in, especially those that would help us achieve our NDC targets.